Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm up with a new video. Here are 5 secrets that will help you get rid of bloating and will definitely help you in getting rid of all the gastrointestinal issues that can be there because of some important basic mistakes that we do in our life. So yes, definitely try these 5 secrets out and you will get some great results. So tip number 1 is to drink water after getting. So when you sleep, your cells work for a recovery process of your body, and as a result your body requires oxygen. So when you wake up and have water at the first place in the morning, it helps in better digestion and getting rid of all the acidity problems. Now tip number 2 is to involve in some amazing breathing exercises after you get up. Again, because your body needs oxygen at this particular time for all the digestion and the metabolism process to be followed for the day, you need to perform certain exercises. So these are few breathing exercises that you must follow in order to have better digestion and getting rid of all the acidity problems. So I am sitting in Vajrasana and breathing in and out slowly, going down, keeping my hands crossed around my stomach and doing it for about repeatedly 5 times. Also, stomach vacuum plays a very vital role in boosting metabolism and is really very effective. Engaging your core while squeezing your stomach inside and breathing in and out continuously helps in getting rid of all the gastrointestinal issues in your body. Also, it boosts metabolism and definitely prepares your body for the upcoming day ahead. So yes, try these vacuums, stomach vacuums, for about 5 to 10 times every day in morning itself. Next up is a morning drink. Now this one is one of the most effective morning drink that I have ever tried, and I experiment a lot with morning drinks. This really helps in boosting my digestive process and also helps me get rid of all the acne problems. If I have ever come across any pimples, this helps in getting rid of all the toxicity from my body. So yes, this detox drink you can have in morning itself. For this you will need some cumin seeds, that is ajwain, some carom seeds, that's jeera, and some fennel seeds, that's saunf. All of this boiled in water. You just have to have 1/4 tablespoon of each of them and boil them in water for about 5 to 10 minutes. All of these seeds have great anti-inflammatory properties, act as a great antioxidant. So really helps your body to get rid of toxicity. So yes, definitely will help you if you are facing those bloating problems or acne problems, or sometimes you might feel really full after eating anything. So all the gastrointestinal problems, you will really feel better after having this in morning itself. So yes, definitely have it, and you have to have like half lemon in it so that it can also boost fat loss and weight loss. So yes, definitely try it out every day in morning as your early morning drink. It really helps in boosting the digestive process and the metabolism for the rest of the day. Next secret works really well when it comes to promoting healthy gut bacteria. So definitely this is something that you must try in your lunch itself to get the best possible results when it comes to getting rid of bloating. Now for this recipe you have to churn the mustard seeds, or you can call it rye, into powder, and then we are going to add this in curd, a bowl of curd. Make sure that curd is not so cold, it's just right temperature that you can easily consume. We are adding about 1/4 tablespoon of black salt. Again, black salt works really well when it comes to acidity issues. And then we are going to add these mustard seed powder. Mix it well together and your recipe is ready. You might not feel comfortable having it at night because it's cold, you can definitely have it in your lunch with your chapati, rice, or anything that you are consuming in your lunch. So yes, mix it well together. Also, research shows that when you consume yogurt in your lunch, it actually promotes the benefits of intestinal bacteria and helps you get rid of lactose intolerance. So yes, definitely try it out and have it in your lunch itself, and you will see that all your vitamin D is boosted in your body, lot of calcium that you get from it, and many other joint pains and other problems are also cured by consuming this in your lunch itself. Last but not the least tip is to have milk before bed, but not the regular milk. You have to consume it with a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of cinnamon. Both of them have great anti-inflammatory properties, act as a great antioxidant. So when you consume this, you feel full for a longer period of time, and your body requires the energy to recover, and you sleep longer and you sleep properly. So yes, this really helps you get a deep sleep without any interruption, and your digestive system is in place because of your great sleeping pattern as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you will like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I also have a Hindi channel, so if you have your friends and relatives who are comfortable in listening to this video in Hindi, so definitely check my Hindi channel. Also, I've uploaded this video in Hindi as well, so definitely check out my Hindi channel. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Stay fit, stay happy. I'll see you with my next video. Bye bye, take care.